Are you looking for the best drones for under $400? In this video we will look at some of the best drones for under $400 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, DJI Mini 2. People sometimes inquire as to why I am such a drone geek. For the past 6 years, I've been working as a drone videographer in the film industry. Drones, in my opinion, have a remarkable ability to record real life in novel and exciting ways. Drones have become more valuable as a cost-effective and straightforward way for filmmakers and photographers to capture unique movies from previously unattainable perspectives and heights. My most recent endeavor was a short film set at a special children's shelter. An organization cooperated with me to create a movie about these sweet children to raise awareness that they are also a part of society and deserve more excellent care. I utilized my most dependable and cost-effective drone camera. Furthermore, the novice drone comes with a much superior controller that is both heavier and easy to operate with my smartphone. In sports mode, the drone now has more powerful motors, allowing it to reach a top speed of 36 miles per hour. My phone is now permanently attached to the controller, making it more convenient. I don't have to be concerned about my phone being protected by a case. With such a long flying time, I can capture a healthy environment, choose the best perspectives, frame a shot of beautiful kids, and experiment with features like quick images, panorama, and wide-angle images using one battery. Number 2. Holystone HS700E. My favorite places to spend time are parks where I can practice Zumba. Some of you might not be familiar with Zumba. It is an interval dance workout session for people. The majority of folks requested that I post the class progress online. I employed my Holystone HS700E drone for it. After having fun the first few times, I took it to the park to do more risky tricks, like soaring higher and farther away from me in a wide open space. At first sight, the gadget appears to be excellent. The 4K camera can easily record more extensive views of images and movies thanks to its 130 degrees FOV lens and 90 degrees adjustable mount. I would ever wish for my Zumba sessions to be recorded. It meets various needs. The video frame rate may vary from 4K, 30 frames per second, to 1080p, 60 frames per second. Video captured at 60 frames per second may be replayed slowly. That means I did not have to worry about recording my classes. Number 3. Ruko F11 Pro. Why choose the ordinary old when you can put the ideal photograph in your living room, workplace, or social media profile? I prefer to capture photographs from an overhead perspective rather than at eye level. I post each work on my blog page, from where people contact me for appointments. This particular drone, the Ruko F11 Pro, has been my companion for those fantastic images. Its shock absorption feature lessens camera shake, improving video quality and making capturing a steady and clear image easier. Your significant events can be saved by it if it makes them particularly unforgettable. It is a 90 degrees adjustable camera with a 120 degrees FOV lens that can capture the view in every priceless moment. It also supports live video transmission up to 25 fps. Offering a stable and smooth video range of 1,614 feet. 4K UHD camera with shock absorption reduces blurriness and gives me a clear and stable image. 4K/3840 by 2160p. Through the app. Number 4. Contixo F35. We planned a family road vacation, renting a vehicle large enough to accommodate our luggage, staying at a place that promised us a cabin experience, and bringing food to feed our bellies. I followed the directions provided by Google Maps to go to Bryce Canyon, but the most crucial part was to take my favorite drone with me. Contixo F35 has been with me since I started photography as a professional career. When I hit the 1 key return, the Contixo F35 drone will automatically fly back to the takeoff point. It will automatically fly back if the power dies, the connection is lost, or I mistakenly take it out of range. Contixo F35 drone will fly back to takeoff point whenever you press the 1 key return. If it runs out of power, loses connection, or accidentally flies out of range, it will automatically fly back. Number 5. Potensic Dreamer 4K. No matter what you and your sweetheart like doing together, or if you want to share a new passion, a drone may be a great idea to spark creativity, adventure, and a new depth to your relationship. The drone is the most acceptable option for providing original photos and videos I can share with my family and friends and post on social media to inspire others. Potensic Dreamer 4K has been my favorite drone since I entered this profession. I earned my bread and butter by this to support my studies expensive. I would say it complements the best for the professionals. This Potensic Dreamer 4K drone is equipped with a strong motor and low consumption while guaranteeing a maximum battery life of up to 31 minutes, 2-hour rapid charge, making shooting more fun. It is possible by integrating a 3000 mAh 4S intelligent battery and a brushless motor. The Dreamer can suddenly burst forth treble power within 0.1 seconds to deliver the best performance at a speed of 10 meters per second and thoughtful answers to varied circumstances. This 4K drone can also operate at temperatures between 0 degrees and 40 degrees, thanks to its strong brushless motor. It can also survive various weather situations up to level 3 wind. Number 6. Holy Stone HS710. The largest of all gestures must be discussed when discussing sizable actions. Use a drone to make a memorable proposal if you want to spend the rest of your life with the person you love. Create a little film with overhead shots of Hollywood caliber with your loved ones and conclude with you kneeling. I bought the Holy Stone HS710 drone since I thought my friend's idea was great. It has written in a light, so I purchased hundreds of candles and informed my love to meet me in the evening at Miami Beach, where we spent our summer vacations. As she came, I flew my drone in the air to ask her that life-changing question. She was so shocked and cried in joy. Her emotion has been captured beautifully with that drone. Its quality gives me the boost of confidence I need to ask the big question. It is the best drone for proposal shoots under $400. It has a 120 degrees wide-angle lens and remote-controlled 90 degrees adjustable construction to extend your vision. The UHD 4K camera records your beautiful experiences in exquisite detail, and the 5 GHz FPV technology ensures a more prolonged and stable picture transmission. Number 7. Ruko U11 Pro. I reached for my brand new Ruko U11 Pro drone, which I had bought with money I had made working a part-time job. It gave me excellent material for my social media platforms. The images and videos quickly went viral, and my page was trending till last night. I've been experimenting with drones for a while now. I can only say that Ruko is a very competitive brand in terms of cost and, more importantly, product. The drone is well constructed, simple to set up and unfurl. The app comes highly recommended. It makes flying much simpler. It is pretty easy to calibrate the drone using a phone. Simply adhere to the app's instructions. The battery supports up to 26 minutes of flying duration, giving me additional time to frame the perfect picture. More flying, less charging. I can carry out my shooting projects quickly with this drone's help. I can have more fun with more features. The U11 Pro can fly along a route of chosen custom points with the waypoint function, which flies the drone in a 360 degrees circle around a chosen point while you record a video or take pictures. Number 8. Potensic T25 GPS. I promised her that if she performed well on her exams, I would buy one for her. She gave it her best, and her final exams resulted in the first place. We were proud parents of her. We looked for drones because we didn't have much money, but they were too pricey for a youngster to control. It might be challenging to purchase a drone for a 10-year-old child. I'm hoping to get a good offer on a top-notch product. After doing a lot of research, my wife and I concluded that the Potensic T25 GPS drone would be the most significant drone for adolescents due to its robust camera, flying prowess, clever flight modes, size, and cost. This drone was saved as a reward for our daughter receiving the top grade in the class. When we gave her this drone, she was ecstatic. The T25 is an excellent camera that shoots high-quality video and handles nicely for its price range. Due to its extended flight time and distinctive flight modes, it is more than just a toy drone.